What are you doing down here? What are you doing? So guess how old I am now? I'm 6 months old. Yay, baby! Yay, babies! Okay, so it's there we go. 9:09. Just gonna tell you briefly about Serenity now that she's a little bit older. Um, I'm just gonna guess on her weight and height because the nurse still hasn't come here to weigh her and measure her like she usually does. And today she's due for 6 months checkup from our nurse, and she's supposed to get her shots too. I have a nurse that comes here to the house and will give her shots, weigh her, measure her, and everything. I hate when it's time for due shots. Alright, Serenity. I'm guesstimating, she probably weighs anywhere between 15, no, last month she weighed 15. She probably weighs like 17. I think she's like 2 feet long now. She is in 12-month clothes. 6-month clothes are way too tight on her. She hates them, and because they're too restricting on her because they're super tight. So she doesn't wear. She's not in 6-month clothes anymore. She's in 9 to 12. She eats all the time. She actually eats. Should I put she eats? No. She eats. She does this stuff. With breast milk, and I always mix in some fruit with it because it's bland. Excuse my breaking out. I will mix rice cereal with my milk. What else? Nah, baby. I only breastfeed her now. At bedtime and nap time now. Why does this look so? Okay, so it is. And what else for my babies? She gets up very early now. And between 8:30 and today she woke up at 9. Yesterday she actually slept until 9:30. Yay! I wish she would do that all the time. She's starting to talk now. She can say mama. And this morning, to my very surprise, she said, "Hey mama," clear as day. So I said, "Hey baby, morning baby," right? She just started saying mama a couple days ago, I think. Sorry, I'm continuously yawning. I think she started saying mama on Friday. Yeah. She rolls over. She can sit up on her own. Yesterday she was actually sitting up on her own for about like 10 minutes on my lap. I wasn't even touching her. She was just sitting there. She tries to sit herself up. She'll bring her feet up, and she'll like try and see. She'll do that, but she grabs her feet and she tries to sit up. She doesn't stand. Her legs are still not that. Her legs are still not that strong to support her weight. But that's gonna be the thing that we're gonna be working on next this month. I got her Jenny jumper over there from Jason, John's dad, and your butt's gonna be spending a lot of time in that, strengthening your legs. Strengthening your legs. What are you doing? Oh, another thing. Oop. Baby girl now has. No, don't. No. 2 teeth. See that? 2 teethers. So, yeah, when she's feeding from me and she bites, that hurts so bad. Sometimes it just makes me wanna, okay, I'm not gonna feed her no more. So whenever she bites, I scold her and I cut her off. I take her right off. I'm not taking to anybody. I think that's pretty much it. Anything else, babies? Anything else, babies? Say, I got 2 teepers. I got 2 teepers. Let's see if I can focus in on them. There they are. You guys see them? It's got 2 teeth now. Oh, no. No. You got pretty teepers. I might have to get you 2 now. Teepers! There they are. There you guys. You guys see them pretty good now. Right there. Then I had to let her mess with the camera. But yeah. Is there anything else, baby girl? Alright, so that's pretty much it on her update, and thanks for watching.